All right. So rule number 5 is a compound noun. So a compound noun is basically two words that have come together and they now form a noun. Okay. So English often combines two nouns to make a new word, and that's called a compound noun. For example, the word house and boat can be combined together to form a new noun, which is houseboat. Okay. So in this case, compound nouns are pronounced as a single word where the stress is on the first part. Remember, when it's a noun, the first syllable is stressed. And since they form one word, then the first part of that word is stress. Okay, so does that make sense? Yes, even though they're two words,
yes.
They're forming one. Okay, so what do we say? So when we want to say bathroom, okay, so I'm going to say it and I want you guys to repeat it. Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Post office.
Post office.
Raincoat.
Raincoat.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Keychain.
Keychain.
Bookstore.
Bookstore.
Baseball.
Baseball.
Coffee pot.
Coffee pot.
Airline.
Airline.
Bookmark.
Bookmark.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Okay, so you notice that the last column, they're not written as one word. However, they're used to refer to one thing, okay? So it would still, the rule still applies. Yeah?
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.